Welcome to week 4 of our class. I just wanted to try out a new electronic piece of technology that I've been using for a couple of different classes. It's called Screencast-O-Matic. And if you want to know a little bit more about it, I'm happy to do a quick webinar with you to show you how to use it. I just wanted to use this as a form of doing our announcement in video format instead of you always having to read things. A couple of notes about this week. They still have not fixed all the broken links in our study materials, but one of the study materials, the decision support data analysis, that one is a good link. I just checked that. But the MetLife survey that you're supposed to read a couple of chapters out of, that one is still a broken link. And so I'm going to add the correct link into the announcements as well. So you are going to watch, hopefully you are watching this video right now, but then I'll also add that link to the MetLife survey as well. And then hopefully you can see this. This is your assignment this week. You are the principal. And so even though this is an APA style formatted paper, I want you to do what APA typically suggests not to do, and that is I want you to be able to use first person. So talk like you are working through this case and use these 3 parts to help organize your paper. So what I would do is do an introduction, and then have one heading be analysis of the case. Another heading would be identifying the larger issues, and another heading would be problem solving or solving the problem or whatever. That sounds kind of APA formatish instead of just listing part 1, part 2, part 3. And then don't forget, APA always requires or strongly suggests having a concluding paragraph that wraps everything up in a bow. So I hope that this helps a little bit, and I hope that it's a little bit more engaging than simply posting something. I really like the opportunity to be a part of your learning, not apart from your learning. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.